Every luxury begins with a raw gift from nature. The white bull horn. Each horn is carefully selected for its size, strength, and natural beauty. Sorting ensures only the finest horns move forward to production. The process begins by cutting away the solid tip to open the horn. Heat and steam soften the tough horn, making it workable. Under intense heat and pressure, the curved horn becomes a flat plate. The flattened plates are pressed straight to create a perfect working surface. Each plate is shaved to an exact thickness for flawless crafting. Skilled hands mark the future luxury pieces onto the prepared plate. Precision machines cut the raw shapes with perfect accuracy. The rough pieces are tumbled smooth, removing all sharp edges. True luxury is in the details, each tooth cut by hand with care. A mark of authenticity is engraved, signifying genuine craftsmanship. Heat allows the rigid horn to be bent into graceful, wearable curves. Multiple stages of polishing reveal the horn's natural luster. Natural oils nourish the horn, enhancing its depth and brilliance. Every finished piece is inspected to meet the highest luxury standard. Each masterpiece is placed in luxury packaging, worthy of its quality. Sealed with pride, each box holds a promise of enduring quality. Prepared to travel the world, bringing natural luxury to discerning owners. From raw horn to refined art, a transformation of nature and skill. More than an object, it is a legacy of craftsmanship to be cherished. White bull horn luxury, where raw nature meets timeless elegance.